Take two. Hey everybody, this is One Man One Camera. It's June 1st, about 10 o'clock in the morning. Right now we're at the Boulevard Mall Shopping Center, which is located on Twain and Maryland Boulevard. We're gonna shoot down Twain towards the Strip to see what we can see. All right, let's have some fun. First up, there is our 7-Eleven. Oh crap, I'm gonna get out of here. Oh. Obstacle. All right. You can see way in the background, there is the Venetian, way down there. Here we go. Good old 7-Eleven everywhere. To the left, there is another little strip mall, which has a Vons, Little Caesars Pizza, Taco Bell, and some other little shops in there. I think there's like a hair salon or a nail salon, something like that. And here is something that was here before. It's dead now. Whatever it was, it's just gone. A nice little parking lot. All right, here we go. I think that Taco Bell is 24 hours. That's a Mulaski Park, and there are a number of homeless folks who live there. It also has a dog run, I guess you call it a dog run, where your dogs can, in the fenced-in area, run around and play. Man, I'm out of shape. Huh. Huffing and puffing. All right. This street is full of apartment buildings. It's not the, how can I put this? This is not the best area of Las Vegas. It is, you know, it's not the worst area you ever see in the world or in America, but, you know, it ain't great. Unfortunately, people do litter. As you can see the trash on the ground. All right, let's keep walking. Sorry, keep riding. What's next? What's next? Bus stop. Whoa, sorry. That guy just popped out of nowhere. To the left and the right are two strip malls. There's Lucky's little gambling place on the right. And then there's also, I think there's a Thai restaurant in there. Been there once. Oh, come on, machine. Been there once, tastes okay. On the left side, there is there was an Ethiopian place. They moved across town. Went there once, it was good. And another 7-Eleven on the left. And this is a liquor store. They sell like snack foods in there also. Left side in the liquor store called Vegas Market. Here's the thing, I call things like 7-Eleven, Circle K, Lawson's, I call those guys convenience stores. The other off-brand or mom and pop places, I've called them liquor stores since I was a kid. So if I offend anybody, I do apologize. They've always been liquor stores to me. More apartments. Now, I am not sure of the monthly rental for these places. I just don't know. Working at the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa. Working at the car wash today. To the left, pizza shop, Metro PCS, and a liquor store. A taqueria. Now this little mall to the left, a strip mall to the left, has a see a taqueria, a laundromat. There's a pizza place inside there, and a little Mexican, I call it, a Mexican supermarket. And other whatnots, smoke shops and everything else. Again to the left is a Indian restaurant called the India Palace. I have never been in there, don't know good or bad, haven't read Yelp, don't know. I'm not sure what Maddie's is. I think Fun Hog is for the GBT, I forgot how to say it, don't forgive me, whatever, people, I believe. And then they have weekly mansions here, or weekly apartments, Seagull Suites, where you can pay by the week or by the month, fully furnished. You pass this cat up. Okay. So this is one of those Seagull Suites. Ambulance. Oh, here's a, what do you call it? Marijuana dispensary. Okay, now I've been inside that place before because I had never visited one. And, oh, the police. Busy area. I've never been to one before. I went inside and they take your ID, you know, copy it, I guess, or something, and you can go inside. Now, one thing with the place, it was very nice on the inside, very clean and well lighted. No loud music, it was great. Really nice. Okay, we crossed Paradise. And now we're pretty close to the Strip. This is the industrial area, this is the business complex area to the left. And the Palazzo is directly in front of us. And the Venetian's on the right, on the left. Left, right, left, down the street, getting paid beat by beat. Okay. This next street is Howard Hughes Parkway. Good old Howard Hughes. You see the monorail rail is directly in front of us. Now to the right is the construction for the Wynn. They're doing something, and I haven't looked it up yet, so no real comments. To the left is the MSG Sphere, Madison Square Garden at the Venetian. That's right over there. Which is still in construction. Like I said last time, that dirt mound is bigger, but I haven't come over here in daytime, well, on a weekday, to see how much construction is really going on. All right. Pretty bland out here, you guys, but oh well. To the left, you can see the high roller. I hope you can. And I think we're going to end it at this next light. Maybe. All right, and this next light is Koval, and this is where we're going to end it at. So that was an easy little ride from Maryland Parkway and Twain straight down to Koval and Sands, because Twain changes to Sands at some point. I want to thank you all for visiting. I want to thank you all for watching today. And if you have any other requests, little areas to cycle around, drop them in the comment area, and I will do my best to do them. Whoa, all right. Thanks again for watching. Take care wherever you are. Good day.